Jerry, we have an email from a concerned pool owner, Bruce Dayton. He writes, I have heard a lot of conflicting stories. Should I acid wash my pool or not?
The reason we shouldn't acid wash a swimming pool is because whenever acid is placed on a plastered surface, or I should say a cement surface, it etches the surface by taking a small layer right off of the surface. So I guess the question maybe should be, what does acid do to the finish of my swimming pool? And what it does, first off, let's take the three types of finishes. We have a plastered surface finish, and when we have PebbleTec, and we have quartz. And all three of them are cement-based. All three of them are primarily calcium hydroxide. And anytime acids touch calcium hydroxide, it destroys the content of the cement. This is where we would show that video, right?
Pause. I can put that in there. Pause. Set up there. Okay.
And as you can see by the video, the acid immediately attacks the calcium hydroxide in the cement and, of course, damages it. One of the common misnomers in the swimming pool industry is that, yes, I'm going to acid wash your pool, but I'm only going to use weak acid. I'm going to dilute it. Quite often we're told by some of the service techs that, well, I don't really acid wash the pool. I dilute the acid quite a bit before I apply it to the finished surface. But the chemical facts are that strong acids attack cement. Now, if we try to make the acid weaker, acids by definition still attack basic or alkaline substances like cement surfaces. So the calcium hydroxide is going to be attacked no matter if it's weak acid or strong acid. Naturally, the stronger the acid, the more the attack. But this is the first step toward the beginning of the end for your plaster, because you're literally taking a layer of it away. And a bad analogy is your plaster's in pretty good shape, but we've got to acid wash it to take the surface off. And that, to me, is like saying that your teeth are fine, but your gums have to come out. It's just not a relative answer to the problem. You wouldn't take sandpaper and start sanding the finish on your car. And you wouldn't matter if you said, well, yeah, but I'm going to use real fine sandpaper. You're going to take the paint off. You're going to take the surface finish off of the surface of your car.
Oh, yes, with a T, and a rhyming with P, and it stands for pool.